Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2008 Chevrolet Equinox and I will show you how to reset and clear TPMS tire light. This video will apply to Chevy Equinoxes made from 2005 all the way up to 2009. Okay, so how this actually works: first you'll have to access the tire learn mode, and then you will have to proceed outside and manually relearn each of the tire sensors. Now to do that, most likely you will have to use the TPMS scan tool. There is the option to do it without it. You can try to release the air from each of the tires until the sensor is relearned. That sometimes works, sometimes it doesn't. If it doesn't, unfortunately you will need the scan tool. Now, at least here in Canada, you can rent this at any tire shop for like 20 bucks per day, or you can buy a cheaper one online. I know they go from 100 bucks up to 1,000. So if you decide to buy it, you can always reuse it as many times as you need on any vehicle. Okay, now to access the tire learn mode, you will keep pressing this small car button until you reach tire relearn. I will show it to you right here. So I will keep pressing that button. Okay, tire locations, press check mark to learn. And what you will do next, you will just press this check mark button. You will hear a horn beep twice, and now you can proceed outside and manually relearn each of the sensors, starting from front left, front right, and then the rear left. Before I go outside, I will show you how this scan tool works. They're all pretty much the same. So I will go under service TPMS, and now I have to select the make, model and year. So Chevy Equinox 2007 to 2009, and now I have to select manual relearn. You can do it with a high-end scanner, but if you don't have it, this is the way: manual relearn. Okay, and now, like I said, I have to proceed outside. Okay, so to start, first you want to approach the front left tire and just press the scan button. It's quite sunny outside, so I'm not sure if you can see what I'm doing. And once the first sensor is relearned, you'll hear a beep sound and you get all the information from the sensor: PSI, temperature, things like that, and a green pass light. And now you can proceed to the front right tire. Same thing. Good to go. Next one. And the last one. That's it. Once you are done, the horn will beep 3 times, and that means the programming is done and the light should be off. And let me show you now the instrument cluster. So the light is off, and if I go through the menu options, I should get all the values. So all the sensors are working. And that's it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.